Man, Eagle Vision looks fucking terrible. Oh my lord. Now we got ourselves a horse. Do it. First viewpoint. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. Leap of faith time.
Over here!
I couldn't help myself. I just couldn't help myself.
Kill him!
You guys are making this too simple. I see somebody over here getting bullied.
Please, I've done nothing wrong. Why are you doing
follow
this?
us, false
Stop
god.
this, please. You're hurting me.
Tamir.
Infidels, you will die here.
This won't be
This is a waste of my time.
And that's why you just got slapped.
Yeah. He's not the last of them. I hope so. Still, best not to take any chances. I'll hurry home. Don't think I'll leave it again anytime soon, either. You've done me a kindness, young man. Be assured, I won't forget it.
Oh, don't worry. I'll remind you.
You won't find better prices anywhere. Find better prices.
Thanks, gentlemen. I'm getting the fuck out of here, though.
For today only. I've decided to reduce.
2 investigations are needed to access assassination memory. Climb to a viewpoint to locate them.
Come, come. You're tired of shopping food? Then come with me. My merchandise is without fear. Which is why.
Do you understand?
Yes, I am to deliver the letter to your merchant friend.
And you know who to see?
The same man as always.
Do not think to betray my presence in this city. We have many eyes, many ears.
And many arms, yes. Good for silencing those who say too much. I know this well. You have my word.
Good. Then be quick about it. Time is short.
Time is money, buddy. Don't mind me. I'll just be praying in the corner.
Everything's new. Everything's perfectly priced. Finest bread on all the land. Everything here, my friend. There's nothing I do not have. Tired of never
Don't look back.
anything useful at the other merchants. That won't happen here. You won't believe your eyes.
Stating Tamir prepares a large shipment.
You look like you. This is why you come to me.
Now we're making progress.
Why are you doing this? What have I done?
Wait, I'll have your head. I'll have your head. How could we have over here? Good day, my friend. If there's anything I can help you with, anything at all, don't lose him.
There's one.
After him. Sure. You cannot run. I won't give up so
There's 2.
over here. You'll never get away!
There we go.
Praise God, you've saved me. All the city will know of your sacrifice.
It was nothing, lady. Nothing at all.
What? Who's done this? Tell me!
Has he lost his mind?
Yes, because I really thought I could make that jump. Oh, I remember the Assassin Bureau. Assassin's Bureau?
Altair, it is good to see you. And in one piece.
You as well, friend.
I'm sorry for your troubles.
Think nothing of it.
A few of your brothers were here earlier, in fact. Oof, if you'd heard the things they said, I'm certain you'd have slain them where they stood.
It's quite all right.
Yes, you've never been one for the creed, have you?
Is that all?
I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget myself. What business brings you to the Mass?
A man named Tamir. Al-Muallim takes issue with the work he does. I meant to end it. Now tell me where to find him.
Surely you remember how to track an enemy.
Of course. Learn where he will be and when. But that sort of work is best left for... I understand.
Go and search the city, determine what he's planning and where he works. Preparation makes the victor.
What can you tell me of him?
Tamir makes his living as a black market merchant, so the souk district should be your destination. I would suggest you seek out the following places. A small souk northeast of here, the madrasa to our east, and in the gardens north of this bureau. Focus on these places and he should become well known to you.
I assume you want me to return to you when this is done.
Yes, come back to me. I'll give you Al-Muallim's marker and you'll give us Tamir's life.
As you wish.
Remember, Altair, if you find yourself in trouble and the city turned against you, return to the bureau. I can shelter you from the storm. Be warned though, if your enemies are too close, my door will remain closed until you've lost them. Do you understand?
Yes.
Simple enough, simple enough.
Compromise the Brotherhood.
Very well. Off you go.
Stop running! Who did it? Murderer! You killed that person, I told you! You've chosen the wrong side!
You can apologize for that.
Lady, I was just walking and praying. You need to hold your pot better.
I'm telling you, it's rats.
No, it's children. I hear them laughing.
Rats or children. Either way, it's bad for business. All that noise!
Someone needs to get up on those beams and clear them out.
I wonder how they're getting up there.
Must be through the central courtyard.
Then we should ask the guard to have a look.
Ah, they're all much too busy polishing the backside of their master.
Altair, welcome, welcome.
I've done what you
Welcome, brother, welcome.
First things first, tell me what you know.
Tamir rules over the Souk El Salah. He makes his fortune selling arms and armor and is supported by many in this endeavor. Blacksmiths, traders, financiers. He's the largest death dealer in the land.
And have you devised a way to rid us of this blight?
A meeting is being arranged at Souk El Salah to discuss an important sale. They say it's the largest deal Tamir has ever made. He'll be distracted with his work. That's when I'll strike.
Your plan seems solid enough. I give you leave to go.
Thanks, man. I didn't need your permission, though.
You may rest here until you are ready.
I'm ready now.
Fast-forwarding memory to a more recent one.
Have any money?
Out of my way, lady.
Please, can't you spare something?
No.
I'm poor and sick and hungry.
Yes, you! Come!
I need you to get out of my face. Nothing to see here.
Ask is for a few coins. Please, sir, have any money?
If you just have a look.
I have no interest in your calculations. The numbers change nothing. Your men have failed to fill the order, which means I have failed my client.
We need more time.
This is the excuse of a lazy or incompetent man. Which are you?
Neither.
What I see says otherwise. Now, tell me, what do you intend to do to solve this problem of ours? These weapons are needed now.
I see no solution. The men work day and night, but your client requires so much. And the destination. It is a difficult route.
Would that you could produce weapons with the same skill as you produce excuses.
I have done all I can.
It is not enough.
Then perhaps you ask too much.
Too much? I gave you everything. Without me, you would still be charming serpents for coin. All I ask in return was you fill the orders I bring you. And you say I ask too much? You
Damn.
disrespect me.
Peace, Tamir. I meant no insult.
Then you should have kept your mouth shut.
No!
Ooh.
Stop? I'm just getting started.
No!
In broad daylight? Damn.
You came into my souk, stood before my men, and dared to insult me?
Oh, he's getting it. Oh, with the fucking back.
No. Leave the body. Let this be a lesson to the rest of you. Think twice before you tell me something cannot be done. Now get back to work.
It's pretty brutal.
Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Where did you...
Just like you, brother.
Be at peace. You'll pay for this. You and all your kind.
It seems you're the one pays now, my friend. You'll not profit from suffering any longer.
You think me some petty death dealer, suckling at the breast of war? A strange target, don't you think? Why me, when so many others do the same?
You believe yourself different, then?
Oh, but I am. For I serve a far nobler cause than mere profit. Just like my brothers.
Brothers?
Ah, but he thinks I act alone. I am but a piece. A man with a part to play. You'll come to know the others soon enough. They won't take kindly to what you've done.
Good. I look forward to ending their lives as well.
Such pride. It will destroy you, child.
Alright, let's fucking get out of here. I need all you guys to move.
Word has reached me of your victory, Altair. You have my gratitude and my respect.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks, man.
It is a shame that the other assassins continue to hold you in such poor regard.
Rafik, I do not care what the others think of me.
As you wish, Altair. You should bring news of your victory to Al-Malim. I'm certain he has more work for you to do.
Fast-forwarding memory to a more recent one.
Out of the machine, Mr. Miles?
What's the matter, Doc?
Miss Stillman is once again insisting I let you rest.
Alright, Lucy, spill the fucking beans. Are you a Templar?
Let's go, Mr. Miles. Time's wasting.
Where's Lucy?
Oh, don't worry. She'll be with us soon enough.
So why are you doing all this, Doc? What are you hoping to accomplish?
You turned the television on lately? Read the newspaper?
No.
Never cared much for that stuff.
Then, let me sum it up for you. The world's a mess. It's pathetic, really. You've seen it firsthand yourself. 1,000 years between you and your ancestor, and society remains just as barbaric, just as stupid.
And your point is?
Order, Mr. Miles. The world needs order. That is what we're working towards, and that is what you're helping us to achieve.
You expect me to believe you're building a better tomorrow?
That's exactly what we're doing. The human race calls out for direction. They want to know why they're here, what they're meant to do. Well, we're going to tell them. And once they understand how to live their lives, everything will be better.
Better how?
An end to all conflicts, large and small. Isn't that what you assassins strive for? Peace in all things?
I told you, I'm not an assassin.
Right.
I still don't see where I fit into things.
In time, Mr. Miles. In time, you'll understand. Or you won't. I don't care either way, as long as you show us where it is.
Where what is?
Sorry.
Yes, we are.
What? Did your line just cut off? All I heard was SAR.
You've done well, Altair, and I'm confident that this is but the first of many successes.
Tamir spoke as if he knew you well. He implied my work had a larger meaning.
Significance comes not from a single act, but the context within which it is performed. The consequences born of it.
Then is there more I need to know?
Altair, your greatest failure was born of knowing too much. If I choose to withhold information, it is only to ensure you do not make the same mistake a second time.
I see.
No, you don't. And it will remain this way until you've learned your lesson. Still, you have performed competently, and as such I restore a rank and will return a piece of your equipment. Go now, either to Akka or Jerusalem. There are men in both cities who require your attention. The Bureau leaders can tell you more about what needs to be done.
Oh, okay, I got the little short sword. And I got the counter kill. Oh, it's fucking over, bro. It's fucking over.